nturora abantu batali bamuna bamu betabire mu kusera obusagiki hantebe ya president rundi mukuru wihanga kiro kinu mutoro region hatandikire mu owekitebe cha National Unity Party nambere abaina sera akaruru kandi atandikire mu district ya Bunyangabu aho nambere polisi ebandize ya blockinga baitu bamaliza bamulekera yaiza bamurabya mu byaro bitali bimuna bimu ogu nowe Robert Center mu Chagulanyi bamusibira mu Rwengoma kandi eyokusangibwa mu rubuga urwa Fort Portal City obwabeire nagumezamu nagenda hamwanya gwe ogwa rally eya kabiri eyabaina agenda kora mugombora eya Harugongo kandi nambere tugambera turugire saha 10 itwe nk'abanyamakuru n'abantu abandi twemerira hano Rwengoma nambere tuli na sazin acyaloho bamwangirire kuba nasobora kuba narabaho abebyo kwerinda bamugambira akoze umuhando gundi baitu nawe agambire nayenda kuraba mu rubuga urwa Fort Portal nokwe asobole kuba nagenda kusera obururu.
The Presidential Elections Act provides that a presidential candidate shall be allowed to campaign in any part of the country. According to the Electoral Commission, I am supposed to be campaigning here. I'm supposed to be campaigning in Munyangabo, where you blocked me from. I'm supposed to be campaigning in Kabarole, where you blocked me from. And I requested you that because time is running out, allow me to go to a campaign rally, which is only 10 minutes away. You have blocked this road, now it's coming to 1 hour. You claim that I block, that I disrupt traffic. But look how much you're disrupting traffic.
Abantu batalaba munabamu bemerire harubazwe ngudo noho yasobora kuba nabagambiraho ebintu bitalibi munabimu nkebya huwe obaraba muhira akaruru bintuki ebyakujja kuba nayebembeza omu namberaga abaire nasaba abantu abebyo kwirinda baleke kuba nibarwanisa abantu abali mu kusera akaruru kandi balinde obusinge
simu motoka za patrol za kubonya abantu wabula muzi ambulance katika funeno mukisoko gena ne bana basirikale. Dear officers, we are not fighting against you. We are fighting for you. I want you to imagine a new Uganda where that uniform is respected, where citizens of Uganda will find you and they feel like they have found safety. They feel like they found their protection because by law you're supposed to be our protectors. You do a great job. That is a noble profession. But I want to remind you that you are not a colonial police. The colonial police, its duty was to beat the Africans that we are talking about, the ills and the injustices of colonialism. That is what we inherit. That is wrong.
Ebikiraho byona ntujja kubantu kuletera ito hano nkata ya West Indi Justin Nyakaisiki kuruga mu rubuga urwa Fort Portal.